guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge Dollar Tree haul. This is not a $10 challenge. I told you guys that if I was going in there for specific items, then I was gonna spend over $20, which I did. So before I get into the haul, this is a special Dollar Tree haul because it is a collab with my friends Kortney and Karlee. So if you are not subscribed to this dynamic sister duo, you need to. So Kortney just graduated from college and her sister Karlee just entered college. So that is so fun that they are able to share in these different life experiences together. So these ladies, they love beauty, they love Nordstrom, they love the Dollar Tree, and they love Target. So I knew right off the bat when I found them from Nicole Burgess's channel, I knew that I was going to fall in love with them. So they're like my little sisters I wish I had. So if you are going to their channel from mine, make sure you comment a pineapple emoji so they know that I sent you. And if you are new to my channel from theirs, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I am a mama of 3. I am a couponer, but I'm also a big beauty enthusiast and I love Nordstrom just about as much as Kortney and Karlee. So if you guys like Nordstrom and beauty and saving money, then you're gonna love my channel. So just subscribe below, get it out of the way, and then let's go ahead and hop into the Dollar Tree haul. So I picked up some more Christmas florals. So this is, I'm not exactly sure what kind of flower this is. It says it's a Queen Anne's lace. So I liked the silver detail on this. And then I picked up some hydrangeas. So I'm really liking actually burnt orange for the fall. I know that like light green and white is very in for the fall, but I am really loving the burnt orange. So I'm kind of going with that color scheme because I feel like it goes well with the wood in my house and whatnot. So burnt orange is kind of like my color for the fall. And then I picked up some more of these silver poinsettias. So there's a little bit of glitter, so I can live with it. And then I also got one more of the Queen Anne's lace. And then I got another burnt orange hydrangea. You guys will know why I got all these florals in a minute when you see a few other things that I'm hauling. And then I picked up another one of these holly bouquets. So it has the berries on it and also the pine cones right here. And there's just a little bit of glitter. And then I picked up a red carnation as well. And then I picked up one of these wreath forms. So I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm gonna be doing with this. So I'm gonna be making a wreath. So you have to stay tuned to see how I make that wreath. And then I picked up this candy cane one. So again, you kind of know where I'm going with these florals and these wreath forms. So I went ahead and picked up the candy cane one because I know that once they are gone, they are gone. So I picked them up. And then I also picked up 3 of these ornaments. So it's like a jar, it's plastic, it's not glass. So I love not having glass ornaments because my kids will literally break them. But you just unscrew it right here and you could make your own ornament. So stay tuned to see what I'm doing with these. So I picked up 3 of them because like I mentioned, once you see this holiday stuff, once it's gone, it is gone. So I picked it up. And then I picked up a few more of these glue dots because I'm finding that these come in handy with a lot of different things. So especially since I am decorating for fall right now, these have been really helpful in terms of sticking items onto my wall and just getting everything how I want it. So I picked these up. And then I actually picked up a few books. Now, I have yet to haul books from the Dollar Tree. So this one I'm actually gonna give away in this video because I thought it was really fun. It is More Monsters Knits for Little Monsters. So basically, it is a book of knitting for different like headpieces. So I thought that this would be really great for Halloween. So if you want to be entered to win this book, just comment below, make sure you're subscribed, and I would love to send this to one of you guys. So I thought that this was great. Retail price on this guy was $22.99 and it was $1 at the Dollar Tree. So that is great. And then I also got this book because I had gestational diabetes when I was pregnant with my youngest. So it's called The Diabetes Breakthrough. So this book was $25.95. So I went ahead and picked this up to just read just for my own personal knowledge, because if you guys didn't know, if you are diagnosed with gestational diabetes during pregnancy, you're at a higher risk of developing diabetes later on in life. So I thought I would go ahead and just give it a read, and then I could just pass it along to someone else in my family. And then once I'm done with it, I'm just going to pass it along to someone else in my family. So my uncle, he has diabetes, and my dad's kind of borderline. So I think I'll pass that book along either to my uncle or my parents for them to go ahead and read it. And this book I actually picked up for myself. Like, I never read books, and I really should. But this is called The Real Thing. This is Lessons on Love and Life from a Wedding Reporter's Notebook. So I thought that this would be really fun. So yeah, I picked this up, and it's a hardcover. Regular price was $26. So $1, then I'll probably pass it along to someone else for a read. And then I picked this up for my sister. This is the air freshener, the cassette player. So I saw this in my Dollar Tree about a week ago, and I passed on it, and I was like, I should have snagged that for a little gift filler for her. So I went ahead and picked that up for her. And then I picked up a porcelain bowl. Well, it's not really porcelain. Well, maybe it is porcelain. I picked up a white bowl. And then I also picked up a white mug right here. So you guys are going to have to seriously stay subscribed and stay tuned to find out what I'm doing with all of this random stuff. I hear a DIY coming. That's what I'm hearing. So stay tuned. Okay, so I also got some Halloween decor. So I got the window clings right here. So this says trick or treat, skeleton, pumpkins, all that jazz. So I put this stuff on my refrigerator. I put it on my microwave. If you guys haven't seen my decorate with me, then you guys will be able to see how I actually use these. And then I got a few more. These are window decorations as well. I also love to put these on my mirrors in my house. So I picked these up. So I thought they were super cute. And then I picked up some black and white letters. So these are going to go for my DIY. So I'm super excited that I found these. So they definitely go with what I'm doing. And then I picked up 2 skeletons. Yes, 2 of them. So 1, 2. Okay, so this is going to be part 2 of this Dollar Tree haul. Like, seriously, there's so many good things at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys additionally what I picked up. So Kortney and Karlee, this is like a massive Dollar Tree haul from me. So I picked up these little yard stakes. I just stopped and talked to my neighbor, and I was like, you need to go to the Dollar Tree. Like, look at how cute this stuff is. So this is a little stake for your front yard or your backyard. This one says Wicked. You just stab it into the dirt. And then this one says Spooky, and this one is so cute, you guys. It says Home, Sweet Home, very farmhouse. You can just stake it into the ground. I absolutely love this. And what I love most about it is that it's durable, so it's going to last more than just one season. So I like picking up items that I can use for multiple seasons. So I also picked up some Sure-Fresh gallon Ziploc bags because we needed some of these. So I went to the Dollar Tree for Ziploc bags, and I walked out with like 30 other things. Comment below if that is how you Dollar Tree. You go in for one item and then you walk out with like a whole cart full. My husband's probably laughing as he's listening to this. And then I also picked up 2 more of these Crayola sidewalk chalks. So I love the thicker sidewalk chalks for the kids so they don't break as easy. So I picked another one of these up. And then I picked up some Paw Patrol stickers. I'm sure you know who these are for. And then I also picked up a Christmas present, yes, for my best friend Brittany. So I got her the Lisa Frank wall calendar. So backstory, my best friend and I were crazy over Lisa Frank. I was a 90s kid, and my best friend also loves cats. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna get this for her to throw into her Christmas present because, you know, she loves cats and she loves Lisa Frank. So that is the perfect gift for $1. Okay, so I also picked up some of these refrigerator magnets. So these were very farmhouse. So it says welcome, happy Thanksgiving, What else does this say? Gobble till you wobble. So these are all Thanksgiving themed, and I thought that these were very, very farmhouse. So I put these on my dishwashers, and I also put them on my fridge as well as my microwave. And then I picked this one up for the kids to go ahead and play with on the dishwasher. This is a little like scarecrow guy. And then I picked up this magnet. I'm telling you guys, my Dollar Tree had tons of stuff. Hold on, coffee break. Venti pumpkin spice latte. I'm a coffee believer. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so this magnet, it says, hello, gorgeous. So I picked this up. And then I picked up some stickers. So my friend Nicole Burgess, she hauled these and she said she got me some. So I picked these up for a little girl who's having a birthday in October and she loves pineapples. So these are going to be going to her. So I picked these two up. So this one just has just all the pineapples and this one has the variety of pineapples. Look at that farmhouse pineapple. Yes. Dollar Tree. Yes. Okay. So I also picked up some planner stickers and you guys, pineapples everywhere, but just wait for it. Just wait to see how incredibly cute these stickers are. I just can't. Look at these. Gold pineapples. Are you kidding me? These are so freaking cute. I only found one of them. So if you guys see these, please send me some to my P.O. box because I need golden pineapples on every month of my planner. So if you guys see these, mailing address below. Okay, so at the checkout, they always have like tons of random stuff that you can find. So I'm always keeping my eye peeled for Christmas gifts. So I actually picked this up for Chris's aunt because I know she's gonna love this. It says Christ is risen, and I know that she's absolutely going to love this. And I love the wood detail, and this just looks really high quality for $1. So I picked this guy up. And then I picked up some of these scrunchy snap clip barrettes for Scarlett. So she always needs these for her hair. And then I picked up this Peel and Stick Wall Creations decal wall art thing. So it's Paris, Eiffel Tower. I'm actually sending this to Love Meg. She is a YouTuber here. She does cleaning videos and she recently just did her living room Paris theme. So I saw that for her and I was like, all right, I'm gonna get this for her and send it to her. So that is going to her. And then I found some fun nail stickers. You guys, these are so fun. So I picked up the Disney Princess nail stickers. So these are going to be for Scarlett. These are going into her stocking. So I got her the Disney Princesses. I got her Minnie Mouse. And then I also got her Vambarina. And then I also picked up two for Ashley's girls. So I'm going to Scarlett's birthday party in October. So I picked two of them up, one for each of them. And then I also picked this up for Meg's daughter, Julie. So I'm gonna put that into that little package that I got her. And then I needed to get a few bubble mailers. So always get your mailing supplies at the Dollar Tree. So I picked these two envelopes up here. So you get 2 for $1. So I got 4. And then I got one large bubble mailer. So I picked that up. And then I picked up 2 birthday cards. So this one says, hope your birthday is really something to taco about. And inside it says, celebrate like there's no tamale, happy birthday. So I picked this up for a birthday card. And then I just got a little card to send in Meg's package. And then I found the birthday cake cookie crisp. It is right here. So I got a package for my mom and a package for my brother because my brother's favorite cereal is cookie crisp. And last but not least, I got one more of these burnt orange hydrangeas. So I picked this up too. So crazy over the Dollar Tree. Yes, crazy. So this is everything that I picked up from my Dollar Tree. So I have a variety of items, but I am so excited to finally start working on some of these DIYs because I am so excited about them. So this is my Dollar Tree haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will leave my last Dollar Tree haul video below because I have a huge giveaway going on from that video, and the giveaway is still going on now. So if you are interested in winning a huge box of Dollar Tree giveaway items, then definitely check that video out that's linked below so you can learn how you can enter to win. So this was my Dollar Tree haul. Kortney and Karlee, thank you so much for collabing with me on this video. I know this will not be our last video we work on together. You guys are amazing, and like I said, you guys are like the little sisters I never had. So now you guys are officially my little sisters, and I'm so excited about that. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day with whatever you are doing. Don't forget to subscribe to my girls, Kortney and Karlee, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.